In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a sub-item from one board to a sub-item in another board on Monday.com. This can be incredibly useful for keeping projects organized and ensuring that all related information is easily accessible, no matter where it's stored. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, look at the upper right corner and click on Log In. If you usually sign in with Google, select that option. Otherwise, you can manually enter the email address you typically use for logging in. After that, if you've chosen the Google sign-in method, look for the specific email you intend to use for this process. With access granted, navigate to the board you want to work with. This is the board from which the sub-item originates, or the board to which you want to link another sub-item. Once you're on the appropriate board, locate the main item which contains the sub-items. Expand the item to reveal all the sub-items beneath it. In the sub-item rows, you'll notice a plus sign button beside the last column. Click this button to expand your options. From the list that appears, search for the term Connect Boards. As you might have guessed, this option is key to linking boards and their respective data points. Now click on Connect Boards. A new prompt should appear, guiding you to Select Boards. In this step, select the board that will be linked to the current one. When selecting, ensure it's the correct board you're working on to avoid any mishaps later on. For robust connectivity, tick the checkbox indicating you want to create a two-way connection. This option allows information to flow seamlessly in both directions between the boards. You'll once again click Connect Boards to finalize this connection process. At this juncture, the system may prompt you with an option related to creating mirrors. Since our focus isn't on mirrors today, click I'll do it later to bypass this step, keeping our attention solely on establishing the connection between sub-items across different boards. Congratulations! You've successfully connected boards across two sub-item groups. This setup ensures that data can move freely and is visible wherever you need it, enhancing collaboration within your teams and streamlining project management processes. As you continue to familiarize yourself with Monday.com's capabilities, you'll find that these connections simplify tracking progress and managing tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your project management just a bit easier and more efficient.